Hi everybody, my name is Mélanie Haché and I'm an executive director with Epicure. Today I thought it would be nice for me to do a video and to show you actually what comes in our business kit. Our business kit, once you do decide to join Epicure, you can purchase the kit at the low cost of $125 in Canada and $99 in the US. This business kit comes with a lot of product, like I just said, and I'm going to go through these products and explain to you what they are and how come you should take advantage of this awesome deal that we have right now and join our company, because it's such an amazing time right now to be a consultant. People are eating more than ever at home. They're wanting to order their products right off the website, and we are selling true products so fast that it's just, yeah, it's an amazing time to be an Epicure consultant. So we're gonna look at what comes in the kit. For starters, we have this awesome little book here that says Raw to Ready in 20 minutes. Or rather ready in 20, I guess. This book comes with lots of recipes, as you can see. A lot of them, if not all of them, I should say, can be cooked with the help of our steamer. So if you don't have a steamer at home, you could totally make these recipes like in your oven as well. It's just, it'll likely take more than 20 minutes, but the principle, you can do the recipes as well in your oven. And just to confirm as well, the multi-purpose steamer does come with a lid and the multi-purpose rack as well. I just have them in my dishwasher right now, so just imagine that it's here. The multi-purpose rack as well, one thing that I love about this this piece of cookware is that the fact that I couldn't cook either. You can put your bacon on top and then the grease will just go through and you will just have your crispy bacon on top, the grease on the bottom. Same thing for hamburgers. If you want to cook like meatballs or in the microwave, this is awesome. And as well, I wanted to confirm, if you're wondering, because I was talking about the Raw to Ready in 20 cookbook, the cookware here does go not only in the microwave, but it does go in the oven as well. So that's another great feature of Epicure. And it does come with lots of products, like I was saying. So we have lots of different meal solution packs, whether it's cha-cha chili, pad thai, sweet and sour stir fry. We have the mac and cheese. We have the butter chicken. We have the general tao. We also have the donair. Same thing, unfortunately, I didn't have a pack that's not open because this one I have in my cupboards. But it's so good. I just keep saying the same thing over and over. But if you haven't already tasted the donair seasoning, you're gonna love it, because this actually is so easy to prepare. The recipe is on the side of the pack, in which I love. Like all these packs, we have the recipe on the bottom, on the side of on the back. So you know exactly what you need. You know exactly how to prepare it. It's easy. Within not even 20 minutes, your meal is complete. And usually with the help of our steamer, you can save a lot of time in your kitchen. But going back to the donair seasoning, you can just mix it up with ground beef or of your choice. So ground beef, ground turkey. I've seen people actually do as well like a meatless donair. So you can actually put it like and do like a vegan vegan meat protein. And then, yeah, you can just prepare either as a meatloaf, or I love to just put my ground beef in my steamer, even if it's raw, frozen. You can put raw meat in this, and then you can just break it up and put it in the microwave and add the seasoning. It's so good. It's an awesome topper for either pizzas or even nachos or whatever type of base that you're cooking. You could also do this trick of using your steamer with the hamburger meat of your choice and cooking it up for like spaghetti sauce, let's say. Like when I'm in a hurry, sometimes I forget to take out the food from from the freezer, so the steamer really helps me with this. We also have two tasty treats. We have the chocolate mud pie and the chocolate pudding. Awesome desserts. Really, your family will love these. We also have, to complete with the different packs that we have, meal solution packs that we have in the kit, we also have a kit that comes with 5 recipe cards here, and you'll be receiving as well. This one is for the Mexican kit. This one actually comes with the nacho dip mix, the guacamole dip mix, and the fajita seasoning, as well as the poco picante. So you get all these 4 bottles, which with the recipe cards, you can actually make your Mexican night so easy. We also have roasted garlic aioli, and this one actually goes well with the donair. I forgot to mention, you can make like a donair sauce with this, and it's really good. And to complete as well, the chocolate, 2 chocolate desserts that we have here. The summer berry is another sweet treat that you can prepare. Just mix it up with either cream cheese or yogurt of your choice, and then you can make a sweet dip for your kids, or even yourself or your spouse. And when you make these yummy dessert, you can serve them in our little prep bowls, which I love. These are they have like a measurement on the side, and it comes with these really nice lids. It says Epicure on the top. I don't think you can see it on my video, but then you can just close them, put them in the fridge. They are awesome for kids' lunches as well. My kids love these. And we have awesome kitchen utensils. So multi-purpose steamer again. Imagine the lid. Sorry about that. I should have took it out of my dishwasher before. We also have our kitchen scissors, and we also have our 4-in-1 spoon. So either a tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, half a teaspoon, and a 1/4 teaspoon on the back. And we have the grip and grab, which are really great tongs. You can cook, actually, I love using these even on my barbecue. So I wouldn't say leave it on the base of the grill, then they would heat up and they could melt, but just turning like your hamburgers or your chicken wings and all that is perfect. Love these. We also have the citrus press. This one is a 2-in-1, so we have one side is for the lemon, one side is for the lime. Little tip, make sure that once you cut your citrus fruit of your choice, you cut it and you put like half, like the cut piece on the bottom. So that way when you pull this down, all the juices will flow underneath. If not, if you put it like, we would have a tendency to want to put it like this, but you want to put it like this. Just make sure. And last but not least, we have this awesome cutting board. So, and it's a non-slip cutting board because it has actually 4 little sides here. So once it's on your table, it won't move. We also have in the catalog, we do have the silicone, or not in silicone, but oh my God. Should have thought about this before starting to talk about that. Just the other type of cutting mats that we have. So they're quite flexible. That's why I was thinking silicone, but they're not in silicone. They're quite flexible, which is awesome, but they do move like on the counter. So depending on what you're cutting, you may want to use this type of cutting board instead. Again, all this comes at the low price of $125 in Canada and $99 in the US. You do get as well catalogs. You do get lots of information about how to do your business. Basically, you're not just buying a box, you're buying basically a business in a box. So if you have any type of questions, don't hesitate to ask the consultant that shared this video with you. And I wish you all an awesome day.